OL Terminal is a web-based emulator for mainframe 3270 and AS 45250 screen applications. By running entirely in the browser, it eliminates desktop dependencies and significantly reduces rollout, support, and upgrade overhead, all while delivering a modern, seamless experience directly from your browser. To start, click Start New Terminal Session. If you've already selected a favorite connection, you'll be connected to it automatically, making it quick and easy to get back to work. No favorite yet? No problem. You'll simply be redirected to the Available Connections page, where you can choose the connection you'd like to start. The emulator experience will feel very familiar to traditional terminal users. Even though it runs in a browser, users can still navigate almost entirely using the keyboard, just like they would in a classic terminal. Arrow keys, tab, and function keys all work as expected, along with keyboard mappings for common actions like field exit, reset, and more. For added convenience, a Host Actions panel is also available, giving users quick access to frequently used terminal commands. So users can continue working the way they always have, only now directly from their browser. OL Terminal supports flexible keyboard mapping, allowing specific actions to be associated with custom key combinations. For example, you can map the Alt and F1 key combo to open the Help function, or assign Control and End key combo to perform a field exit. Users can also switch between dark and light modes, allowing them to choose the display that feels most comfortable for their workspace. They can also view useful session information, such as the session start time, duration, client IP address, and more. And for better readability, the emulator display can be zoomed in or out to match the user's preference. Users can also record macros for common sequences of actions they perform regularly. This helps automate repetitive tasks and makes everyday workflows faster and more efficient. Just open the macro panel and click Start Recording. Perform the actions you want to capture, and when you're done, click Stop and give your macro a name. Your macro is now saved and ready to use whenever you need it. Let's try it out. Users can access and filter the AS400 printer spool using the Printer panel. Spool files can be previewed in PDF format, and users can either download them or print them locally. Spool files can be filtered by device, queue, job system, time period, and more, making it easy to quickly find the files required. For those using OL Hub to create ScreenFlow-based APIs, you can now record your screen scenario directly in OL Terminal and save it straight to your Hub screen module. Just click the Record button, navigate through your application as you normally would, and when you're done, click Stop Recording. Give your recording a meaningful name, select the Hub module where you want to save the recording, and that's it. Your scenario is now ready to use in your API development. For more information about OpenLegacy products and modernization stories, be sure to check out our YouTube channel and community website.